sardine, the main ingredients, with some white rice. So these are some lesser ingredients that I have, nothing too great. I have a lime, I have a pepper, I have some chiffon butter, 2 sardines. I have the one in soy oil, and I have one with hot pepper. I have some oregano, salt, some black pepper, scallion, thyme with rice. So now I'm going to wash the rice. I'm just gonna wash this 3 or 4 times, then I come back. So here's what I'm working with. I'm just gonna put this over to the stove. To the pot, I'm gonna add a piece of butter. I'm gonna add a little salt. Add some of the oregano. And I'm also gonna add the thyme leaf. I'll go ahead and cut this. I think I'm gonna take this out. I'll allow that to steam. So while the rice is cooked, we're gonna prep the sardine. So if you like your sardine debone, we're gonna debone it. You can leave the bone in. It's up to you. I will now discard the oil because we're gonna use a little of the oil or the rice. Use a bit of spoon. And why the sardine them feel different. One feel soft, one feel firm. The one I feel more firm. Alright, so I remove the bone. The one in the side, I always feel soft and tender. The one pepper feel firm. So this is another bone in about. I'll remove that. Alright, so after we did one alright, we are going to set this aside and then work our scallion. You can also use a knife to trim up on a scallion. I put a piece of the pepper. Because you know, once a sardine, we need it spicy. We need a few of the seed too. Let's chop up them. chop a piece of scallion. Oops, I don't want this here. Alright, so we have this. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna check our rice now. This is what we're working with so far. So it don't completely steam. So we're just gonna fluff it up. I'm gonna remove these. Alright. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add sardine. I'm going to add the scallion and the pepper. Add a little black pepper. Some lime juice. You can use lemon juice also. And this is where the juice from the tin come in. So we're going to use it to kind of finish steam the rice. I'm just going to add this in. Add a tip of water in this. Rinse it over there. And then we're gonna finish steam. Look, let's see what I want. Put water on. So guys, you can mash out the sardine or you want it well soft, well fine chunks. It's up to you. So this kind of it's ready now. So guys, try this rice. 1 pot seasoned rice, 1 pot sardine and rice. I'm let you know. Bad. Thanks for the talk. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in another one.